In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to change the desktop icons such as these right here, the Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, the recycle bin and stuff like that. So let's get started right away. So basically what we want to do is we want to go to the to icoconvert.com, and right here you can upload an image, and you want to upload an image so you can convert it to the size and file of the desktop icons. So right here you want to click on choose file, and I'm just going to select this one right here, and then hit upload. And once it has uploaded, the file is right here. You want to scroll all the way down, and then leave it on this, and then click on convert to ICO or ICO or whatever it's called, and it says please wait a moment and download your icon. And now your icon is right here, so make sure you remember the folder it has downloaded in. For me it's just in the downloads, where it always downloads. So remember that. And from there on out, if we go to our home page, let's say I want to change the Microsoft Edge icon, you can right click on it, then click on properties, and go make sure you're here on shortcut, and right here it says change icon. So just click on that, and you want to hit browse. And as I said, make sure you have remember where you have downloaded it. So for me it's in my downloads, and it should be somewhere here. It's right here. So just click on open, and then click OK, click apply, and it says you will need to provide administrator permission to change the settings. Just click on continue and hit OK. And as you can see, the icon has now been changed to the photo where we converted. So in order to change your recycle bin and some other stuff like my PC, this is a little bit different, because if you go to properties, it looks like this. You can't change the icon. So what you want to do is you want to right click, you want to go to personalization settings. This will open up the settings, and you want to go to themes. And once you're here on the themes, maybe you have to scroll down, but for me it's actually on the right. You want to click on desktop icon settings, and right here you can see that there are the icons. So you can just select, for example, the this PC right here, and click on change icon and hit browse once again, and you can just find the picture again and upload it, and the process is basically the same for this. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.